All right, so perhaps you're noticing my wonderful looking hat. You know, it looks good, but you know, fashion isn't everything. The reason I'm wearing it is because I'm under the tub. So let me show you a little bit about what's happened since I last videoed. We had an electrical inspection and failed pitifully. So we've got some problems. The electrical inspector did not approve the two runs that I had put in. These two runs. One of them was only 15 amp. He did not approve the 15 amp to the bathroom. All new runs to a bathroom and a kitchen must be 20 amp. Did not know that. Knew that about the kitchen in Canada. Did not know that about the bathroom here in Tennessee. So we've got, now I've got a 20 amp GFCI, which I'm going to be replacing this cable with another piece of 20 amp that runs over here for this outlet for the plug warmer. Or sorry, for the towel warmer. Towel warmer is going to fit in this little alcove that we built here, which is going to be behind the water closet door. There's the, can't see very well in here, but here's the water closet in here. So that was the first thing. The electrician, yes, should have known that put this in, should have never allowed me to let him put that in. We went back to him and had him replace that white wire with the second 20 amp wire. So at his expense, and the breaker at his expense. The breaker is about $50, and plus the wire, plus the time. So he tried to make it right, but he shouldn't have made it wrong in the first place. Anyway, so that's going to be the towel heater, and this is going to be the in-floor heating, which we're going to be doing tomorrow. We had the wall closed, so I put a pull string in case the in-floor heating will feed into this notch and come up the wall and in here where my thermostat will be to control it. But I'll show you more of that tomorrow. Let's see what else failed. He wants to make sure that all of my electrical connections, that fan, that box, that fan, the fan in the water closet, and that light there are all have Romex connectors for stress relief. This guy was okay, and it's got this built in. But this guy over here, he did not like my ground here. That's got to be a green ground screw. I've got a ground clip, as is over here. There's a ground clip, as you can see here. So I bought some ground clips. I'm going to do that and prep that for the light fixture. So he didn't like that. The hot tub, the jet tub, because I opened up the jet tub, he said now it is subject to today's code. So what I have to do is put a grounding line between the hot, the cold that runs around the tub and over to the motor. The motor was located back in there. I've had to pull it out. I flipped it over, and luckily, underneath, we've got a ground lug that was never connected in the original installation. Plus, the original installation had one drywall screw here holding the whole motor in, and no sealant or O-rings or anything, no O-rings or anything between these pipes and the motor. And they were not even hand tight. I spun them off. They were loose. So they must have been leaking a little bit every time we used the tub. So I'll fix that with some silicone sealant and tighten it up. So, some drama. Let's put us behind another day. Up here, he does not want anything hanging. He wants a flush mount wall fixture. We'll see about that. And that's about it. So I'll put us behind today. What are you going to do? Floor heating will have to wait till tomorrow to go in, and we cannot pour until we have our inspection next Friday. So we won't be pouring concrete over the wiring until next weekend. Anyway, that's about it. So see you then. Bye.